hard work that we all have witnessed and the excellence that motivated us all to be better. So may I please request His Excellency Mr. Vincenzo de Luca, Ambassador, to give please award of knighthood to Mr. Claudio Maffioletti, CEO IICCI, and Mr. Amit, President IICCI. So
of course, when we have talked about the success of 55 years of the Indo-Italian Chamber of Commerce, is the success of all of you and is the success of the leaders of the Chamber. And I'm so happy that our proposal we sent to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs in Rome to forward to the head of state to give the important honor to the two leaders of the Indo-Italian Chamber of Commerce has been really well received and has been done. Mr. Claudio Maffioletti, please come here on stage. Claudio Maffioletti has been identified as a professional with experience in the internationalization of Italian SMEs in India and in the definition, management, and implementation of complex supply chain and multi-stakeholders projects in strategic sectors. As Secretary General of Indo-Italian Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Mr. Maffioletti distinguished himself, especially during the pandemic, for the promotion and social commitment of Italian SMEs in favor of the Indian population and for defending the Italian position, particularly following the economic and social crisis caused by the pandemic. In light of the above-mentioned reasons, I am pleased to deliver the Italian honor exceptionally conferred by the President of the Italian Republic, Sergio Mattarella, on Mr. Claudio Maffioletti of Cavaliere dell'Ordine della Stella d'Italia.
Just a few words, but I was getting already emotional when I was watching the video, because it's not just me, it's people working with me and people living with me at home. My companion Emanuela, my daughter Bianca, my son Adriano, and Riccardo. All the team of the Chamber, President, the past President, all the team at the embassy. Ambassador De Luca has been extremely supportive and pushing for doing things. And that's how it's supposed to be. And obviously all of you, all of our members. It's 750 members, Mr. Nair, not 600. So we have to count each and every one of them. And that's the community we work for. So once again, thanks to everyone. Thank you.
Now, And now we have the President, Amit Roy, please, on stage. You rightly mentioned our first meeting in Myanmar when we were the representative of SACE that period. and was Director General for Economic Promotion of Minister Gentiloni in that period. It was really a great experience, and I had on that occasion the opportunity really to explore all your capacity in that position and also your commitment with the Italian system and now with Intesa. Mr. Amit Roy particularly distinguished himself for the dedication and professionalism lavished in the promotion and deepening of the economic and financial relations between Italy and India, and for the experience at the top of reference in the area of the Indian subcontinent of SACE, Unicredit, and currently of Intesa San Paolo, and his current capacity as President of the Italian-Indian Chamber of Commerce. In light of the above-mentioned reason, I am pleased to deliver the Italian honor exceptionally conferred by the President of Italian Republic, Sergio Mattarella, on Mr. Amit Roy of Cavaliere dell'Ordine della Stella d'Italia.
I'm blessed. What more to say? Thank you, Claudio. I know you have been living with me and I have been pushing you. You will remember this is all for the right reason. Paolo, for lending your shoulder whenever I had to crib, it is your shoulder which I go to. Satinder, for being my moral compass. I always say that. And Ambassador Alexandro, the whole family. What a better platform. You know, you have the family, the friend, the community. There cannot be a better backdrop. And I say this and I repeat this, and I'm proud. Yes, I'm a proud Indian, but I'm a proud Indo-Italian. My friends, everyone, thanks again for this. As I said, no word is enough. I'm blessed, truly.